So as you can see, gumagana yung console, and I choose this soft pastel colors for it to be visually appealing and easier to use, so that yung user is madali niyang malalaman kung paano gamitin and kung paano nag-process yung system. And ayan, mag-i-input tayo. BSIT room, let's see, 10 handy. And then gumamit rin ako ng AM, PM para sa time, para makapili yung user and para mas maintindihan niya ng maayos kung ano yung specific time. Let's see, hanggang 3, simula 11 AM, PM. Yan. Add schedule. So, let's see. PM hanggang 5. Ayan. Wednesday 1 PM hanggang 6. And then save to file. And then, so pwede natin tignan yung na-save na schedule sa file. So, ayan. So, ayan. Na-save yung schedule. And so, after natin i-save yung file, tingnan na natin kung na-save ba siya sa file. So, ayan. So, as you can see, nag-save yung schedule na nagawa.